Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, we'll walk you through how to manually install a Crestron Home driver, also known as sideloading, using FileZilla to upload the driver directly to your Crestron processor. This process is useful when you have a custom or unpublished Crestron Home driver that isn't yet available on the official Crestron Driver web portal, but you still want to use the .pkg file in your system. Let's go step by step. First, open FileZilla. In the top bar, under Host, enter the IP address of your Crestron processor. Then type in the username and password, and for the port, use 22 since we're connecting over SFTP. Click on Quick Connect to establish the connection. Once connected, navigate to the following folder on the processor, /user/thirdpartydrivers/import. Note that we are using the user folder, which is all lowercase. Now drag and drop your .pkg file, the driver package, into that import folder. Your driver is now uploaded to the Crestron Home processor. Next, open the Crestron Home Setup App. Start by selecting the room where you want to add your driver, then go to Drivers and search for the driver you just uploaded. Here's an important tip. Make sure to wait until the Updating Drivers spinner finishes. Otherwise, the newly sideloaded version may not show up correctly. Once the update is done, navigate to the appropriate category or folder where your driver is located. Before adding the driver, click the small eye icon to view driver details and confirm that the correct version has been loaded. If it's the version you expected, perfect. Just tap the plus icon to add it to the room. And that's it! You've successfully sideloaded a Crestron Home driver. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.